Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today is Saturday. Ay, Friday pala ata. Friday! Actually, I have a deadline for today, but usually we don't have work on Fridays kasi our schedule or setup has changed ever since the pandemic. Di pa ako naliligo, so it's kind of sabog. Meaning to say, today is my free time. No work today. But meron akong deadline for a mansion. No, a residence lang pala. Pero parang mansion levels kasi madaming areas. So, I did the floor plan for it. While waiting, I watch movies on Netflix or Apple TV. Subscribe ako sa arcade on Apple. So, I have a Cooking Mama app. You'll know for sure the happiness of cooking. So, yeah. Gusto ko lang i-vlog to kasi I remember I have a not Lego, but kind of Lego Starbucks that I purchased nung nag-Hong Kong ako. So, it's a Starbucks mini collectible store. I'll show it to you. Hindi ko pa siya na open. So, I forgot. Karon ba ako ng Hong Kong?
But you did this for what? Why not? Why?
Years ago, this mini collectible. This is what it looks like. I kind of miss doing scale models kasi di ba sa college days natin, we do our own scale model. So, I kind of miss the fun of doing miniatures. So, for my free time, I purchase collectibles na maliliit lang. Kayo ba? What do you like to do on your free time? Na makakalimutan niyo yung stress niyo with interior design life. So, it looked like this. Di ko maalala how much I purchased this one eh. Let's open it now! Tamang ASMR. Wait lang. Naingay kasi sa labas. I'm beside a window. And there's some kapitbahay there. So, I'm so sorry if maingay. So, yeah. Wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo. So, meron siyang parang manual on how to assemble it. Oh my god. Woo! So, yeah! So, ito yung na-enjoy ko talaga sa mga ganito miniature. Yung merong step-by-step procedure. And sorry about my nails. It's very madumi. And I haven't cut my nails. Kasi I'm so busy at work. And on my free time, I do this. So, I'll do my nails, promise, within the day after I finish this one. I set up now my camera at the top para you can watch me assemble it. While I enjoy my favorite snack, chippy. Taran! Diba? This feels very like college days. Where you do your plates and then you snack on your favorite chirya. Ang cute! OMG! Ang cute! May sticker! The very small Starbucks! Ang cute!
So cute. Oh my god. Oh.
I'm halfway through finishing this miniature Starbucks store. Then I remember this funny conversation I had with my boyfriend. Nakwento niya sa akin na parang very interesting daw tong profession ko. Sa akin, curious daw siya what I do in my profession or my work. Tapos, minsan daw pag naisip niya yun, gusto daw niya matutunan, pero parang di daw kaya ng brain niya. Kasi nga, baka daw super hirap ng mga ginagawa natin. Especially the construction. I told him, kaya naman niya yun. Siya pa ba? Kaya niya yan. And then, he said, hindi daw niya kaya kasi daw masyado daw critical thinking. Sabi niya, hindi naman na daw siya mag-take up pa ng course similar to what I have. I mean, what my profession is. Curious lang siya talaga. And amazed at the same time. And it's very cute. So cute of him. Sabi ko, baby, kaya mo yun, ikaw pa ba? Sus. Kasi my boyfriend is very masipag. And very hardworking. So, when I told him that, sabi niya, baby, baka ano lang yung construction thing lang yung kaya ko. Kasi, and I have different profession. And what I do, interior designing, is very, what do you call that? Kakaiba for him. Knowing the field that he's working to. But, you know what? He's very supportive of what I do, my YouTube life, my TikTok life, my social media life, basically. He's very supportive, even if hindi siya ganun ka social media kind of guy. I'm just very happy of the man that I'm dating. It's very lovely. Anyway, let me just continue doing this stuff kasi I'm almost done. Medyo nahirapan lang ako dito sa trees kasi hindi siya stable eh. Medyo ano siya, what do you call that? I forgot the word, but it's very loko. Parang onting sagi lang, it will fall. So cute! Feel ko I'm some kind of god doing a house by my hand. Siguro ganito yung feeling nung gumawa ng pyramid sa Egypt, no? So yeah, this is the final output of my Starbucks mini store collectible. Yeah, this is what I purchased. I think I won't be adding the stickers because it's very cute. I want to keep it for myself, and I think this is enough. So ganda. There's like a back seating pa outside though. Then there's some trees. The trees that wiggles a lot. Yeah, da, 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 da. I enjoyed it very much, and thank you for watching.